Hey guys, it's Pink Pill here, and today I am with Flute.
Hi.
And we will be doing an update video. And I'm really sorry for my last video. It is really cringy. So yeah, let me just go turn done if my computer doesn't lag. And guys, please, oh god. Oh, and guys, my animal that I am right now is my cougar. Hers is way better than me because I just got the cougar. So yeah, let's hop right into the update. So click on it. So first, it's basically saying the cougar is here, and yeah, go buy it. A Wild East gear. So basically, in the diamond shop, there's new armor. It looks something like this. Oh yeah, and it's some den stuff. I'll show you what I got in a few. And then, Flute, do you want to read the pet shark one?
I have to read it all.
Well, no, just like explain it.
So, pet sharks have come in July.
Okay.
They're in the water.
And then,
You got that.
I can't say his name. Graham's workshop is back. And what's the dolphin one? Coming soon. And sneak a oh my god. Speaking of travel, have you heard the great new Jama dolphins will be returning? If you don't know, they went on travel. Traveling lions, I cannot read today. We want to wish the Lions of Jerman good luck on their travel and hope that we see them again. And then the Jama bots. And then Summer Carnival. Then the egg thing. Did you know? And like, damn, I'm not gonna read it, you guys. Then the beach house is back. And then they're basically. And then this summer returned. And yeah, let us show you the cougar. And do you want to show the moves?
It's not a cougar. It's a coyote.
Coyote. Okay, so
You call it a cougar all the time. Okay. So dance is this. And then sleep is this. And then hop. And then play. And then sit.
they made it look better, like in this than like.
I think the dance looks like the moonwalk.
The dance looks like that it's floating.
The dance looks like it's a moonwalk.
Oh yeah, it's moving. Like
and the play is just like a dog chasing its tail. Mostly my dog.
Wait, I really want to see you. Okay. So guys, let's go check out what they have in the diamond shop. And I clicked the wrong thing, I think. Ooh, impression.
I spent all my diamonds on this animal. I only have 16 left.
I have 28. Oh my gosh, I have 28.
Because I spent most of them on the gloves.
Someone has a similar look. Come where I am. Someone has a similar look as you.
Did you? They're gonna fight me.
Punk Girl Brian or something. Look. Okay, click it.
Well,
oh my gosh, they actually do. Like.
Don't copy my look. They're rarer than me. I'm getting so triggered.
Okay, so this is the new thing, the new armor. I am not about
Just want to scream.
And then this bag. Okay, I need to update my look. And then for the den stuff, they bought this. So 1 diamond, money bag, members. They bought this, a wooden windmill, 1 diamond, non-members. A wagon, 2 diamonds, member. A jail cell, 3 diamonds, member. And yeah, this is what the thing looks like when it's in Diamond Shop. It's nice. And then now, why you Tigger? And then now, let's go see. Oh, wrong thing. Okay, let's go see what it looks like in the den. And I realized I already put it here. You can't turn it like. There's a chair right here. Okay, wait. So.
Where do you get this?
Diamond Shop. If you were listening, you would be.
Yeah, I don't listen.
Yeah, I know you don't.
This is what my name is.
Don't be silent.
I keep track of
Put the
people.
jail
If they get
cell.
out, I pinch them and knock them out.
So guys, okay, now let's put the windmill like here. I'm putting stuff in my den. If you did not know.
Can I give a shout out to someone?
Yes.
A shout out to me. Bullet77 AJ. Go check out my channel.
Don't check out her channel.
It's better.
Yeah, because you have more subscribers. Okay, guys, so this is what the
No,
stuff
I have more. They're called scribbles, not subscribers. Scribbles.
Scribbles. She has more scribbles.
Because I make more content than you. You have to make a lot of videos.
Well, I'm doing the update video right now. So, yeah. And, yeah, so, at least I'm trying.
You need to delete that video that you posted yesterday.
Sure. Now let's do a vlog. So, let's get some.
Show your face.
They already know what my face looks like.
I know. They don't know what my face looks like.
By the way, we're on Skype. I showed my face. I realized I was just showing my face. If they caught that. Okay.
I don't really care if people add me on Skype. It's fun meeting new people.
I like when people add me on Skype.
I'll make her put my Skype link in the description.
Nah. Okay, guys, so this is like the theme that I'm doing. So now let's put the head item. I'm not rare.
I'm not rare either.
I'm not rare. I was like, eyeball hat.
Fancy vest.
What should I do, like, as a head item? I don't have any. Ooh! That looks cute. What does this look like?
I want to go see. I want to make a den.
Okay.
I'll add new items.
Mm,
Use the barn. No, not the barn, because I need it for recording.
Recording.
Just a small den.
Small den.
Small den. Wait, where do you get the food? Oh, never mind. I'm gonna put like Western and Egyptian, or however you say it.
Okay, guys, that might look so far.
Mine looks better.
You haven't seen it.
It's my main look. I tried to make it then.
I don't like the patterns. Like,
ooh, I should make a speed edit.
okay,
Should I
guys,
make a
my look.
speed edit?
Sure. So, guys, that's good for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm sorry I'm doing really long videos. This is currently like almost 10 minutes. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.